Hi guys, today we are giving a first look at the Honor 9X, but this is the European version and not the Chinese version that does have some difference in terms of specs. For one, the X9 in the China version only has a dual camera and then the flash below the housing of the camera system as well. The Pro version does have 3 cameras, but again there is some difference between it. So we're gonna check out this device and give you my first impressions about it. But before we start, this device was sent to me by Honor. However, with that being said, that doesn't mean that I'm gonna change my judgment about the phone. And these are anyway my first impressions. What they only asked from me is to leave a link in the description where you can check this device out and other Honor devices. For one, this one is now 199 euros, so that's quite a steal for the price. Anyway, I will leave a link in the description so you can check it out yourself. Let's continue with this video. So when it comes to the design itself, it's quite clear that this looks really similar to the Honor 9X Pro. However, there are some differences, like I said, in terms of specs. However, we do have the triple camera, with the main one being 48 megapixel, the second one an 8 megapixel wide lens and of course a 2 megapixel depth sensor. Apart from that, we of course have our bezel-less screen and we have our fingerprint scanner on the back. Next to that, we of course in terms of front camera have our pop-up. Now, like I said, there are some differences when it comes to the specifications of this device. The main thing is that it has a Kirin 710F instead of the 810. Now, in terms of display, we have a 6.59 inch display with a full HD plus resolution. In terms of memory, you can have 128 GB, and in terms of RAM, this is the 6 GB version. So the Honor 9X is actually quite a decent package for 199 euros at the moment. Now, they did ask me to leave a link in the description so you can check it out yourself, so be sure to check it out. And next to that, you do have the chance to get the Honor 10 Lite for just €1. It's only 3 devices and it's for a limited time, and they were just won that, and who's first gets it first. Anyway, you can check the link in the description about that. Anyway, so far this device is pretty impressive and we're gonna check out how it holds up in, of course, a longer term of use. I'm pretty curious, and this is my first Honor device, but they are quite similar to Huawei, so we're gonna find out how this one performs. And yes, if you are wondering, this does come with Google Play. Anyway, these were my first impressions about the Honor 9X, and so far it's a pretty decent device, and I actually took out the camera as well and it seems to do pretty well. Anyway, stay tuned for more content, and of course don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy my videos and like if you like this video. Anyway, talk to you guys in the next one.